Hey everyone, so today I'm here to talk to you about conservation. Now, for those of you who haven't seen my last videos, which I recommend that you do go and see at some point in time, conservation is the protection of the earth. However, there is a deeper meaning. Conservation is not only the protection of the earth, but how you protect the earth, how you should be or need to be protecting the earth. Now, everybody knows that the earth is dying at this point, and that means that we might die along with her. However, conservation is not happening the way it should be. People are polluting the air with all of their trucks and all of the gases being removed from the earth, and people are throwing trash around, and everything is falling apart for the earth. So we can actually help her with this. Just go to a local area, pick up trash, go to the beach, pick up trash over there. All of these animals need your help, so I really recommend that you try to help them. When you're driving a car, think about what you're doing to the environment. When you're carpooling, know that you're doing better. When you're biking, that's amazing. When you're walking, that's amazing. Everything is great when you're not using all of the energy that the earth takes. And so many people don't understand that this affects the animals too, especially the marine environment animals, because people throw their trash and eventually it gets carried into the lakes, who get carried through rivers, into bigger reservoirs, into oceans, and everything, and then the oceans end up on the shoreline. So the animals are getting into cans and dying of this material that they're trying to eat. Or if you've seen Happy Feet, the plastic ring around the top of the soda cans got stuck around that one guy's neck and he almost died. That is really happening. So even when you throw away the top to one of those canned things, if you don't buy a box of it anymore, cut slits in them so animals can't get stuck. And even the best part, if you buy boxes or anything that can be recycled, plastic, recycle it. Don't just throw it away. We can use that stuff so we're not using up the earth's materials, because when all of her trees are gone, we're kind of gone too. Just please make sure that you're helping out the environment. She really needs your help, and I would really appreciate it, and I know that she would too. Just go out, tell your friends about it, post something on Facebook, create a web page, do something like me. If you really care about the environment, do something, because she needs your help now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you take this into consideration.